Hello, everyone. A lot of people think that hiring a cleaning service is a luxury that's only meant for wealthy families. But that's exactly the idea we wanted to change when we started this company. Our mission has always been simple: make professional cleaning affordable and accessible for everyone. Whether you're a senior who needs a helping hand, someone living with a disability, an expecting mother who needs to take it easy, a busy parent trying to balance work and family, or simply someone whose schedule doesn't leave enough time to clean, we're here for you. Life gets busy, and sometimes cleaning becomes overwhelming. There's absolutely nothing wrong with asking for help. That's why we work hard to keep our pricing fair, while still delivering the high-quality service our clients deserve. At Chem-Free Cleaning Company, we don't just clean homes, we care for the people who live in them. We treat every home with the same respect and attention to detail as if it were our own. Customer service is one of the things we pride ourselves on. From the moment you contact us until the job is complete, our goal is to make the entire experience easy, professional, and stress-free. We show up on time, communicate clearly, listen to your needs, and stand behind our work. Our company was built on honesty, professionalism, reliability, and the belief that everyone deserves to come home to a clean, healthy space. If you've been putting off hiring a cleaning service because you thought it was out of your budget, we invite you to give us a chance. You may be surprised by how affordable professional cleaning can be. We're also offering all first-time clients at $25 discount just for trying us out. So go ahead and book your appointment at chemfreecleaningcompany.com or contact us at 5863074968. Thank you for supporting Chem-Free Cleaning Company. We look forward to serving you and showing you why so many families trust us to help keep their homes clean, healthy, and comfortable.
Eco-friendly, safe and clean. Chem-free power, living the dream.